Hi, my amazing planner people. It's just for my magical planner, and it's subscription day. I have another amazing subscription to show to you guys today. This one is from Scribble Prints Co. and is their December mystery. This is part of my November project where I ordered and asked for as many subscription kits as I could get to kind of show you guys for the holiday season. Been delayed because of health, but I'm back now. If you've missed some of those previous unboxings, I am making a playlist and I will link it up above for you guys. So a couple of quick details about Scribble Prints Co. So it is a, I believe, 8 to 10 page kit that comes with like foil and everything, because she doesn't foil her kits. They're on a glossy paper, and then you have overlays is the way her shop works, and you'll see that inside. But the kit that she sent me is an ultimate kit. She has 2 different layers. We have an ultimate and a mini, both of which are more than enough for a week. So the ultimate kit is $30 plus shipping, and the mini would be $17 plus shipping. There's just some slight differences. I'll put a link actually to her unboxing of this so you can kind of see the difference if you're interested in that. But let's kind of get into this and I'll show you what she's done for this month, which is so pretty. Hey guys, it's Editing Jess, and I just realized I didn't specifically thank Scribble Prints Co. for sending me this kit for free, and I wanted to take a moment and recognize that and her generous nature. Thank you, Scribble Prints, for sending me this to review. All right, so here's the kit, and these are made for like a 7x9 kind of Erin Condren sized planner, which I think fits most planners. I want to say that I've even seen people use these in the happy planners, so you're not so restricted. You just have to think outside the box a little bit, because the box size, I think it's mainly the height that's different. But anyhow, so this is an English garden kit that she designed. The artwork is, I believe, exclusive to her, so you won't find it anywhere else. And I think she commissions it. She often mentions the artist that she uses, and I can't remember her name off the top of my head. I'll find it though and insert it here. So this idea came to her, like somebody on Instagram messaged her and was like, hey, let's do an English garden kit. And she was like, that sounds amazing. So she did, which I think is incredible that she listens to her customers to that extent. Because most shops, like, they get ideas from customers, but it's not as common as you would think to see something come all the way through. So anyhow, we have our boxes here. We have 8 full-size boxes, which is awesome. They are on glossy paper, like I said. So we have this amazing redhead, which, can I just say how amazing it is? Yes, let's use the word amazing a million times. I just love that she has a redhead, like right there on the front. I think it's incredible, mostly because I'm a redhead, and, you know, redheads have to represent and all that. But I love the outfit. I think it's really sweet. I love the background. It kind of looks like one of those little snapshots you would take of a friend or something. I love this and everything. Like, I'm a big reader. Well, I want to be a big reader. I used to be. Now it's a time issue. And that you have the little camera there. The sunglasses are so cute. And I love the aesthetic of this box. I love the picnic aspect. That might be, like, these 2 boxes are probably the 2 that I would be least likely to use. But, you know, you don't use every box, or at least I don't. Then we have this gorgeous girl just lounging in the sun, kind of relaxing. And I like that she's representing more than one skin tone. I think she's really conscientious of that. Then you have this beautiful double box scene with the English garden and everything here, and the beautiful house in the background. I think this would be a great box, like if you were doing an overlay and like put a quote over them or something. You could even put it up here in the sky. Like, the placement would really lead to something like that, because you have the trees here and it kind of, I don't know, it feels like it would frame it pretty well. And then you have the cucumber water, which I don't know if you guys have ever had cucumber water, but I've had it at like a spa. I can't make it at home. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I can never make it taste the same they do at the spa. But I've been to like one spa a couple of years ago that made it, and I was like, oh, this is the best thing ever. Anyhow, so I love that and just the kind of serene aspects of it. So that's page 1. Page 2 comes with, you have your Monday through Sundays. You have 2 of those actually, sorry. And then you have these really big page flags down here. You have a couple of checklists, and then you have all of this deco. So you have things like your weekend script, which can lean really well if you want it to if you want it to overlay it over this. I think that could work really well. Or you can have it as its own aspect, whatever you want. I like that we have little bunnies in here because when I originally saw this, it kind of made me think like Easter time frame. And so the fact that there's a bunny in there makes me go, yeah, I think I could use this like either right before or right after Easter, or even Easter like weekend kind of thing if you're getting together with friends and doing something of that nature. I love the fountain. I think that's a really cool aspect. The bike is really cool as well. So just lots of little elements that could really make it your own. Then we have another page. This has some more full boxes on it. I love the bike, actually. I think I would rather use that than some of the other boxes like that I said were, like I might use that instead of this box because I think I might like that better. But again, I think they're all beautiful. And then she has, okay, I'm going to say it wrong, but the boards with all the food. So I'm not going to try. So you have that. You have some layering elements. These work great for like if you're layering icons or something, or say you wanted to do like, I don't know, Easter brunch or something. You could easily layer like one of these food things on top of the circles and have it work. Then you have the marquee signs for like movies and stuff. You have 2 habit trackers and then glitter headers. Then we have this page. I don't know what she calls these. If they're, I always think of them as just like extra boxes that you can use, but I think some people call them, what are it, tags or something. So you have like a good variety of here of some really decorative ones as well as some plainer ones, and just kind of switching where the color is going. I think these are all like 4th sized or thereabouts. These ones look a little bit bigger, but I'm not sure. They may be 3rd size and then 4th size, but it allows you to get a lot onto your day and very functional. Then you have another box of more decorative boxes. So you have like 4th boxes through the first 2 rows, and then 3rd boxes through these 2 rows, half boxes, and then these look to be, again, like 4th boxes at the bottom. Then you have yet another page of all of your tags and stuff. These ones are the same format as this, only they're less decorative, so you can have more variety and stuff. It works really great if you're doing color blocking type stuff, or say you have like a different color for each child or something like that that you want to put on a week. I think it would work amazing for that type of planning. Then you have this page of functional boxes. So you get the squares, which I think are really fun. You also get these shapes down here. They're kind of the rounded edges. These are like rounded edges midi boxes, which I've never played with, but I think would be really fun. And then you just have the 4th, 3rd, and half size boxes there as well. Like you really get a ton of boxes with this kit. Then we have yet another like box. This one, is it the same size? It almost looks a little bigger, like it would be for the top corner. No, it's the same size. I think it's just the overlap or something that made it look a little bigger. I love her design here for her days. I think that's really beautiful with the flowers behind. Then you have your washi. She has 2 probably 15 millimeter strips here. You have a plain one and a more decorative one. I really like both of them. And the overlays will come in where the more plain one is, because you can add things to it, and I'll show you that in a second. But it looks really amazing and super simple. Then you get this page, which has all of your icons on it. which are just incredible. Like, I think it's funny that her computer has a Netflix symbol on it, and then we have like a switch here, we have like little balloons, we have sneakers, we have another computer that has a YouTube symbol on it, a classic TV, the doctor stuff, and we have another computer up here. So she's really into the computers. Target, which I know is a huge thing for a lot of people. Shopping bags, books, nail polish, like all the things that I think come into play for most people during their week. And then along with that, you get 2 checklists here, a couple more of those like 1/4 size tags, a 1/3 size tag here, and then the half size. So you're getting even more. Like, I don't even know how many weeks you could do with this, but it's definitely more than one. Then you get the fashion kind of sampler. And so you get your fashion girl here in different, you know, skin tones and everything. And you also get alternates for the other girl here. And then an alternate food board. But what I really love is this really tall box. I think it looks amazing. I love the fountain. And I love that she brought it in. And you could easily, like, if you didn't want to use these fashion girls, you could bring in another fashion girl to be put in here. You can put a quote over it. You can do a lot of things with this. So I think it's really fun. All right, and then you have the foil kit on top of that. So I believe she said that this was the sparkle foil kit, and this is like her full foil kits. Okay, so you have overlays for full boxes here. There's, I believe, 6 on here, plus the side is headers. So you just overlay this on top, and then it kind of frames the elements on the page and stuff like that. And it looks really cool. And so you get 2 pages that are like that. And then you get 2 pages of what I think are referred to as bougie boxes. So these are what you would put. So a lot of times what people do is they put in all of these in their planner, and then they use these underneath for the other areas. And then when you put your other boxes, just kind of surround it by the sparkle, and it looks really cute. So you have 2 pages of those, which is more than enough to like fill out the rest of your spread. You get more icons here. So anything you were missing from the other, or say you had a repeat, you have more icons here. They're all kiss cut or contour cut, whatever you want to say. So on clear paper, so that works really well. And then you get all of these scripts. So you have like weekend, TV time, with my love, which I think is really cute, cuddle. We have lots of work. We have paydays, bath, clean, planning time, shopping, grocery run, appointment, like all of the things. And then you get this one, which has like some sparkle deco in here that you can add around. You have all of your numbers, and they're square cut, so it makes it really easy to make sure they're straight and lined up and everything. And then these are the overlays for your washi. So where'd the washi go? So many pages in this kit. So you can overlay this sparkle either, like, say you could overlay it on the floral one and then have your bows on top of the other one if you wanted, or vice versa, or you could just put it on one. You know, it gives a lot of versatility and individuality, I think, to the kit. And then you also get these bow headers as well. So that is everything that's in the kit. It is just a lot. It's almost like getting 2 full kits, it feels like. So let's go ahead and do the price breakdown for you guys. So let me get this back together first. We have, so if you go into her shop and you're not getting it on sale, which she does do a lot of sales, but if you were just going to buy, you know, a foil kit, they run about $13.95, which is how I usually do my pricing. And then to get the full kit, so we have extras in here that I want to set aside because they are additional value. So I think a normal ultimate kit comes with all of these pages here, if I'm not mistaken, and that runs $26.95. $26.95 for these pages. So I think already we're above that $30 mark by quite a bit. But in addition to that, now these are a little bit different because she printed them differently than you would find them, say, in the shop. But she does have a half-page kind of sampler that would match the kit of all the icons, and that runs $1.95. And then you have a label add-on, which is a little bit different. Like, she adds in different sizing. Like, you can get like the checklist add-on, or you can get the label add-on, and she's kind of combined the two. But because both are the same amount for that size, I'm just going to say that that would be a $1.95 value there. And then we have the fashion add-ons. So normally a fashion add-on is 4 boxes, and you're getting more in this. And I'm not sure what she does on the mini kits, to be honest. So you'll have to double check her if you're interested in that. But I'm going to go with, since a 4-girl fashion add-on is about $1.95, that this would be like having 2 fashion add-ons. That gives you a grand total of $48.70 for value, which gives you a savings of about $18.70, which feels like almost another kit in actual savings. Yes, you're paying shipping. Evaluate that one how you want to, but overall I think this is a really great value. I think she comes up with some really unique artwork, and if this planning style works for you, I think it's incredible. So just wanted to put this one out there for you guys, and let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.